Hey everybody, Donald with Top of Automotive, and this video is a tool haul. So y'all stick around, stay tuned. Howdy YouTubers, welcome back to the Top of Automotive channel, and I want to try and get through this as quickly as possible. I'm not going to try and drag it out. This is, I got my check. So went and got some stuff for the garage. Got my CRAFTSMAN 4-gallon wet vac. I got a butane detailed torch, some more butane, and I got my 1/2-inch Dewalt big dog of the yard impact gun. And a little extension. I'll explain this later. So just quick unbox of each. I want to get to it. I'm excited. So let me do this one, and you can see the package in this one. I might as well go ahead and do this. It's just your typical torch. Bronzomatic. These work excellent for all kind of good stuff, and I got some extra protein fluid to go with it. So we'll just go ahead and get that out of the way. I got these all at Lowe's. Alright, let me stop rambling, and let's get to the CRAFTSMAN 4-gallon wet vac first, and then the Dewalt 1/2-inch impact gun. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, I'm just going to kind of get through this real quickly. CRAFTSMAN 4-gallon 15 liter 3.0 horsepower 4-gallon wet dry vac. Got a rear blower. It's got some tools. Let me stop talking. Quick unboxing. Lowe's. I think these were on sale as well. Alright, package, there it is. There's the bag, extenders, extendies, got I guess that's for the wheels you put on there. Must be inside. Let's quickly bear with me here. There's the hose. Pretty decent hose. It's yeah, pretty decent length of hose there. Just throw that over to the side. We got evidently the wheels are inside. Let's open it up. 2 latches, filter, on and off switch. Yeah, it's the blower in the back. There's your filter. Another filter. Instruction guide. Wheels, hardware, sort of strap, handle, attachment, probably gizmo, And yeah, a little floor sweeper thingy there. And an empty bucket. Fill it up, 4 gallons. $30 at Lowe's. Can't beat it. Alrighty, you know, simple wheels. Not gonna do them all. They're just gonna pop in, I'm sure, in that direction. Maybe? Don't go in that direction. There it goes. There's the wheel. Just gotta press in there. It's a good snug fit. And there's little side actions here if you want to do it that way. And screws, hardware, go right in there. Easy peasy. Alrighty. That's enough for that. Let me move on to the next. Stay tuned. I'm excited. Alright there, YouTubers. Moving on quickly. This is my Dewalt 1/2 inch impact gun with the Detent pen anvil. This is why I got picked up this small one. These Detents, you need a tool to pull off the socket. So if I have to, if I'm only using this one time, I can just put the one socket. But if I'm going to use multiple different size sockets, I can put this on, leave this short extension on. It's not going to hurt the performance of this impact gun whatsoever. I'll be able to interchange sockets out quickly without using a tool. That's why I got that. So let's get on with it. Brand new from Lowe's. So try not to cut myself here. I know there's another way of opening these straps, but currently how I'm going to do it. Just get those straps out of the way, and then I don't know, how do they want you to open this thing? How do they want you to open this? Carefully, I guess. Some tape here. There's some tape there, and naturally it's going to be in a bag. This is a kit. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery, I do believe. Made in the USA. And that's your box. Made in the USA. Keep it real, guys. With global materials. Why do they gotta put that on there? Just made in USA. That'd be fine. Your standard DeWalt bag. Oh. Yeah, baby. These bags are great. Got your squished up instruction manual and all that gizmos. Who needs that? Here's the charger. Collecting chargers. I'm going to have to do something with my charging routine here. So that's the nice charger. DCB 115 on the charger part number. Here's the 4 amp hour battery. Just trying to get through this kind of quickly. Lithium ion, 4 amp hour. I'm going to be getting either the 5s or I'll get another 4. Be plenty for what I do around here. Not going to be using this tool all day. It's not going to be taking off 18 wheels. So I think the 4 and the 5s might just get the 4 amp hour probably be plenty for me. So there's your battery, the bag, got a little box in a box. That out the way. This was in the bottom of the bag. Little writing material. Good old do not eat. Don't eat those. And the inside the bag. Great bag. Great heavy duty bag for sure. There's something, a little pocket here on the back side or the front side. Made in the USA. Our battery. Here's our charger. Let's get this big dog out of its package, and there it is. Dewalt 20 volt max XR. Brushless. 3. Oh boy. Let's see. Got your low, your medium, and your infinity torque taken off. Better hold on to that. It'll rip your arm off. It'll rip your arm off, son. This is a man's toy right here. Man's toy. 3 speeds. You got LED lights, or your fuel gauge lights probably. Anyway, this does have, I don't know if this is gonna, this is what this is probably for. Turn around this side. But it has the Detent pen that's right here. You just take a little little punch, something in there to take the socket off with. But I'm wondering if that's going to go on there. That's going to go on there like so. And I'll be able to change sockets out if I need to. And I wonder, yeah, see, that'll come off. So you don't need a tool for this. Is the CRAFTSMAN little 1-inch extender. So put it on there. Fire this baby. See if we got any juice. A little bit. There's a light there. Oh yeah, man's toy right here. When you get one of these in your hand, this is a Milwaukee killer, because it's half the price. All you need right here will keep up with a Milwaukee all day long. My opinion only. What else? Yep, low, medium, high. got the little, on this one's got the battery indicator. It's at 1, so we need to charge this puppy up and get it rocking and rolling. So that was good that I didn't know if that was gonna, I didn't know if that was just gonna come off or not, but that does, so that works for that one because it doesn't have a detent. So that'll be good. Be able to get sockets on and off and get that off if you need to, and roll on with your life. So that's that. Bear with me 1 minute. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open up my my other tool that I got. So that's my Dewalt to go along with my series of Dewalt tools. I'm staying with the Dewalt battery platform. So, thinking about getting the 3/8. I'm on the edge about it. I don't know. I have the quarter, and now I got the 1/2 inch. So, yeah, I'm gonna be thinking about getting the 1/2 inch. We'll see. I'll sleep on it tonight and find out. But you'll know when I get it. Alrighty. Stay tuned. Be right back. Alrighty. I want you guys to check out my Instagram. Top Wolf Automotive over there. Follow my page. Usually when I'm posting some pictures up first before the videos go out here on YouTube, just to give a heads up. And be safe out there as always. Appreciate your comments. Hit that subscription button. Hit the bell button so you get notifications on the next videos from Top Wolf Automotive. Y'all stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.